Welcome once again to my channel. SAA Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me so far. Please, if you are stopping by, please be part of SAA family by subscribing, like and share. Yes guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a supplement that my landlady is using. I visited her and the way I see her skin glowing, so I asked and she bring the supplement that she is using, and it is called Gluta berry. Yes guys, yes, this supplement contains collagen and also glutathione. So collagen is for aging, whilst the glutathione is for also lightening. So I wanted to demonstrate how we can use it. Yes, this is one sachet. It contains 12 sachets in the box. Yes, it's one box, so it contains 12 sachets in it. So right now, one sachet, you have to scoop in 150 ml of water, and this is my pure water, which is in Ghana here, Ever Pure. Yes, Ever Pure. It is purified water, so I will use that one. This is my disposable cup. I'm using the smallest one, disposable cup, the smallest one. Okay, so I'm using 2 of my disposable cup, scooping the water inside, a little of it, then I will add in the sachets of the supplement. 1 sachet I will add to the 2. Okay, I wanted to taste it and see how sweet, how it looks like, how it tastes, the taste itself. So I will scoop the 2 inside it. Yes guys, it tastes good. Yes, when I was tasting, it tastes good guys. Yeah, it tastes good. That woman is glowing. You see, you can even not even say that the woman is even more than 40 plus. Yes, but this supplement is glowing hair gradually. So I wanted to taste it. Right now I'm going to mix it together. Yes, you have to mix it very well. Please subscribe to my channel, be part of SAA family. Please be part of SAA family. This supplement doesn't cost too much. Yes, it doesn't cost too much, so you can also as well as buy some and also try it out. I'm going to give one to her and I'll also take the other one. Okay, so guys, yes, let's taste it and I'll give you the gist. It tastes good, it tastes sweet. The sugar content is too much for me. Yes, for me the sugar content is too much for me, but it will glow you to give you that small fairness or brightening or lightening depending on your skin type. Please, and remember, don't use one box and expect more miracles to happen. Use more than one and you are way to go. Yes, this is the Gluta berry box. It contains 12 sachets in it and you are way to go. So guys, yes, this is how it look like. I'm tasting it, so you too, you can also buy yours. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and be part of SAA family. We love you and God bless you.